And cutting across to more breaking details coming in, the GST intelligence team has countered the claims of the lawyer of businessman Piyush Jain. GST intelligence team has said that there is no tax penalty that has been settled and the entire amount seized has been considered as tax evasion. On the other hand, the lawyer of Piyush Jain, who says that they're preparing for the bail application and will move in court when it opens on the 1st January. Cutting across to my colleague Sumi, who is tracking all the details on this. Sumi, what's being said on both sides?
Yes, Sudhir Malviya, the lawyer of Piyush Jain, the perfume industrialist, has been claiming that all of the complaints that were made by the DGGI have been turned down, and in fact the lawyer of Piyush Jain has clearly said that all of the claims by the DGGI are false, and in fact we've already done the settlement and now we will move to court once it opens on January 1. And remember, the DGGI had registered a case against him under section 135A of the Central GST Act, and in fact this case is very rock solid because the DGGI had solid information and solid evidences against perfume industrialist Piyush Jain, and in fact the raids that have happened in the last 5 days are testimony to that very fact, that 177.45 crores was the massive seizure that began 5 days ago, in fact 6 days ago now, had been witnessed by the citizens of Uttar Pradesh, and in fact the CBIC has quoted this as the biggest seizure of all times in the recent history. In fact, apart from the 177 crores in cash, 25 kgs of gold, 250 kgs of silver and another 600 kgs of sandalwood oil, which is alone worth rupees 6 crores, had also been recovered from the factories in Kannauj. And in fact, Piyush Jain had multiple properties across the country as well as abroad, and all of these properties are now being constantly monitored by the DGGI and also by the input teams of the income tax department. In fact, remember, the Ganpati road carriers, again one of the players in the entire story, the entire seizure story, and Ganpati road carriers, one of the truck belonging to Ganpati road carriers had been intercepted in Ahmedabad, and that is how the retrieval of input by the DGGI Ahmedabad unit came about, and after which the raids happened. The series of raids began and happened in the state of Uttar Pradesh.